Hey, what's up everybody? This is a EDC update. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm currently carrying, and appreciate the comments, and I appreciate all the new subs out there. First off, I want to show you my wallet. It is made out of stingray. It's probably a good thing because my wallet's been crying lately because it has no money. Anyway, I got this at a gun show about 3 years ago, and as you can see, it's held up its shape pretty good. So that's that. Let's see. Of course, everybody has to have a phone, so I have my Droid. Droid X. Yeah, come out a little bit here so you can see what's happening. Let's see. And I just acquired this last year, and I just started to wear it. It was given to me by the institution where I work for 25 years of service. I don't know if you can see, it's a Wittenauer, and yes, it does have diamonds in it all the way around the face. I thought that was pretty cool. It's a nice heavy, I don't know if you consider that a gold watch, but it is a pretty nice watch. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then next we have my Cork Tactical 4.7's flashlight, which comes in real handy. And I think everybody should, you know, if you're EDCing, you should have some kind of light, either on your pistol or, you know, in your pocket, because you never know when you're going to be in a little dark space, and or you drop something at night or something. You're always going to need a light. So I think it's always a good thing to have a light on you or with you somewhere. Let's see, I have, of course, my Kershaw, my 1910. I've been carrying that. That's a very, very nice knife, and comes in handy. So that's a good option to have when you're carrying. Here is the firearm I am currently carrying is the Ruger LC9, and as you can see, it's safety checked. Don't have anything, no mag in the holder there, and it is safety checked. But that is my pistol. Let's see. And see if I can draw this out a little bit more. I carry that in this holster. It's from Multi-Holsters. Tony makes a pretty good product. So that's what I carried in. And I could either carry this inside the waistband or outside the waistband, which is pretty cool. You know, depending on the situation where I'm going. You know, if I want to be more discreet, I'll carry it inside the waistband, and that'll be that. So that's my pistol toting utility. Let's see what else. I just got this extra mag holder, also from Multi-Holsters. Thought that was pretty cool. So always good to carry an extra mag. I know some people say, hey, if you need more than 5 rounds or 3 rounds, then you shouldn't be there, and that's probably true. But hey, you never know. Some instances where you're just caught in something you can't get out of, and you're going to need that extra firepower, and it's always good to have. Next is, of course, is my keys with all my plastic on it. Don't do me any good since I don't have any money. That's my keys. And of course this is the mag that goes in the LC9 with the little pinky extender, which I like. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, if you have any comments or questions, I'd like to see what you guys are carrying right now. Since I live in Pittsburgh, we're getting into the winter months, and I think what I usually do is I switch off between my LC9 and my Kimber Ultra Carry 2, and I actually carry that outside the waistband. So let me know what your comments are. I would appreciate hearing them. And hey, thanks for watching and thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, and have a good holiday if I don't talk to you then.